What's up, everybody? Got a little treat, a little short video today. I got a new shift knob in the mail by Likewise. Pretty great company. Saw them on Instagram, so shout out to them. I'll put the Instagram handle at the end of the video. I ordered the NAB, so take a quick look. They got some pretty sweet packaging. The do's and don'ts. Here it is, guys. So they call this one, what was it, unicorn vomit. Now it doesn't fit the Veloster. They have these adapter pieces called the disco biscuit, and that just goes onto the shifter. And I'm not gonna put it on just yet. I want to wait till I get my short throw, and it'll fit better then. The only issue I was having, it fit perfectly on there, screwed on tight, everything like that, felt good, wasn't loose. The issue was the reverse lockout. The reverse lockout mechanism, the plastic piece that you pull up, it was just too big and was hitting. It wasn't going up inside of the shifter here. See, it's a lot smaller than the inside of the stock shifter. So yeah, I'll be installing that hopefully next month when I get my short throw in, and we'll take a look. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll have some more content soon.